drunk driver.
You guys need breakfast?
Yeah.
It's breakfast.
10 minutes. Eggs. 10. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, if you go fast and then turn.
Thank you, driver. Oh, can you make it so it doesn't turn so crazy?
Fine. Just turn the speed down.
The speed or
The speed, because the speed makes it turn super fast. Mom, do you like driving my car?
Yeah. Do you like my skid outs?
Sure. I do skid outs all the time.
You're gonna need new tires.
No, my tires are fine.
Oh, oh.
Stop! No!
How do you stop? If I hit it forward, does that make it stop?
No. It's
Yeah.
if you go forward and then if you go like this, and then you press back.
Where's
fast.
back? Like that, right?
That.
Yeah. Okay.
Come back, start coming back.
Oh, jeez.
You're gonna hit something. Don't hit a car.
I'm a crazy driver. Yeah, baby.
Here, wait, let me see it real quick. Can you hold it? Can you hold this and just point it
Okay.
at the car?
Is it on right now?
Yeah, it's recording.
Wait, I can't see anything. Hold on, hold on. How do I go out? Okay, I'm ready.
No, I want you to go as fast as you can.
All right.
And just go on that jump over there.
What jump? You told me not to go right here on this yard.
I don't care. Yeah, wait, let me put it on full speed. I know you're gonna wreck it, but I don't care. Hold on, wait, it's not facing the right way. I know it's supposed to make that noise. Okay, go. What did you hit?